2 Cup Maida, a half cup wheat flour, salt as per taste, some water, 2 teaspoon refined oil, 2 medium-size onion chopped, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 2 small-sized tomato chopped, salt as per taste, a half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Dhaniya powder, a half teaspoon jeera powder, a quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, red chili powder as per yourself, garam masala as per yourself, chaat masala as per yourself, some water, 2 medium-sized boiled and mashed potato, para dhaniya,
Subscribe.
some oil, some oil on other side, apply some green chutney, coriander leaves, ginger, garlic, green chili, salt, water. Some chaat masala, some lemon juice if you like, garnish with onion, serve and enjoy.
Subscribe. Like, comment, share.